To enter the manual shift mode, ensure the shift lever is in the drive position, then shift to drive again. Shift ranges can be selected manually when the manual shift mode is engaged. In the manual shift mode, the shift range is displayed on the position indicator in the meter. While in the manual shift mode, pull the right side paddle shifter for a higher range. To shift down, pull the left side paddle shifter. Use 9th and 8th gear for all normal forward driving at highway speeds. Use 7th through 5th gear when driving up long slopes or for engine braking when driving down long slopes. 4th through 2nd gears can also be used for hill climbing or engine braking on downhill grades. 1st gear can be used for climbing steep hills slowly, driving slowly, or for maximum engine braking on steep downhill grades. Do not drive at high speeds for extended periods of time in lower than 8th gear. This reduces fuel economy. To cancel the manual shift mode, move the shifter to the drive position again. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.